In today's video of Hooked on Tool, we are going to talk about how you can make a hanger for your pliers so that it is easier to store or organize them. You will need pieces of wood, some screws, and a saw for this. First of all, you need to cut the wood pieces depending on your measurements, as we will show now. Once you are done cutting the wood, the next step is to assemble the pieces together. For that, you will need 2 square blocks of wood and a long rectangular block that you will join together using screws. We have marked the outer sides to know where the screws must be placed on both sides. Use your tools to screw both of the square wooden pieces on these markings. Then, you can place the long rectangular wood piece on top of them both, like we have. Once you do that and everything is firmly in place, you can start hanging all of your tools like this. Hammer the shelf into any wall you would like, and then you can always use it to hang your pliers. Making a DIY plier hanger is that simple if you have wood and the right tools. We hope that you liked this video and that it helped you find a way to organize your pliers.